Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make Okhra Coconut Fry Recipe. It's very delicious when served along with rice. This recipe is very popular in Kerala. Let's move to the video. In a grinder jar, take half cup of grated coconut. Add 1 garlic clove, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, some curry leaves. Grind it like this without adding water. Keep it aside for later use. Take a pan and heat 2 tablespoons oil, then add half teaspoon mustard seeds. Wait until it splutter. Now we can add 2 dry red chillies cut into halves. Also add some curry leaves. Add 1 chopped onion. Mix it nicely. Cook on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix it well. Now keep it low flame, then add the grinder mixture to it. Cook on low flame for 2 minutes. Now we can add the required salt. I am adding half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Now we can add 200 grams of chopped lady's finger to it. Mix it well. Careful not to close the lid. In this time we can add extra chili powder or salt. Cook on low flame for 7 to 8 minutes. Stir in between every 2 minutes. After 8 minutes we can switch off the flame. Our Okhra coconut fry recipe is ready. This recipe is usually served along with rice. It's a quick fry recipe which you can try at home in 30 minutes. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.